Caregivers are often told to be aware of compassion fatigue, the ways caregiving can drain you, deprioritize you, and of losing yourself in helping others. That's understandable. But these days, civilian or military, medical bureaucracy, and the specialties and subspecialties with the challenges to finding answers are increasing. We call it bureaucracy fatigue. Bureaucracy fatigue is real and studied at the VA and DoD, particularly for mental health providers, who are exposed to high levels of compassion fatigue. When burnout factors were studied, exhaustion, cynicism, and effectiveness to do their jobs, it didn't explain the high rates of turnover. Instead, the main causes of burnout were workload and perceptions of bureaucracy. Isn't it similar for caregivers? No matter the workbooks and information sessions, caregiving contains large swaths of on-the-job training, and the workload is high. The same bureaucracy that hinders VA mental health providers may also negatively affect caregivers, who feel their own value and effectiveness is hampered. This causes exhaustion, cynicism, and lack of perceived effectiveness, or bureaucracy fatigue. What to do? Though it can be very challenging, seek respite care from VA. If that's not workable in your situation, schedule times for self-care. Exercise, taking a break each day, making and eating healthier meals, reducing the social media noise, and restoring you in small pockets of time. Avoid confusion during appointments by carrying printed copies of the latest directives, whether on home-based care, the caregiver program, or aid in attendance, so you have answers to show staff who may be unaware. Inquire about telehealth for quick online check-ins versus an 80-mile drive to the VA. And press hard for VA choice if appointments are time delayed or repeatedly canceled, and referrals to specialists not provided. Control the aspects open to you whenever you can. Be informed. Know your personal needs, the opportunities open to you, and make time to know the proper contacts. VA is the largest medical system in the country, and it's complex. But with preparation, knowledge, with personal wellness, bureaucracy fatigue can be reduced. Civilian or military, medicine is complex, and bureaucracy is not likely to disappear.